Hello friends, as it's been already quite some time since we installed the Refugium, about a month and a half already, I want to show you how it's progressed. Here we can see that the cotula has developed very well, very long stems. It's starting to flower, so we're beginning spring. And Bacopa also has grown quite a lot. It doesn't have any flowers yet, but probably later on. The Cephirante has grown very strong, and if we look at the roots of these plants, we see there's enormous growth in the roots, all of them. And that means it is working well. There's a good development of roots in the nutrients. And that has brought a very good development of the part above the water. The Argirantemo has grown lots of leaves, new leaves. There might be a bit of reduced iron in the water, and that's why it's a bit yellowish on the sides, but it's flowered a lot, and it's been flowering since we installed it there. The daffodil has grown enormously. Incredibly long leaves and incredibly long flower stems, and that is probably because there's lots of phosphates in the water, and flowering plants love phosphates. And of course, as I showed you, they have enormous roots growing into the water. Here we have also a bit of growth, but apparently as we get away from the beginning of the channel and there's more light here, there seems to be less growth on this side. The hydrocotyle don't seem to grow much. They have good roots on them, good growth of roots, but they don't grow above the water. In the Refugium, we have the Bacopa that is growing very well, very firmly. The Refugium is also growing quite well, and also we have some growth with Elodea. These are very slow growers, and as I said, we are just leaving winter now, getting into spring. And the hyacinth disappeared. Had about 3 or 4 hyacinths here, and they've all disappeared. And most of these floating plants disappeared. Simply they died and now belong to part of the nutrients solution. Here they are. Bits of hyacinth. The Balisneria is still there, but doesn't grow anything. Nothing at all. And that is probably due to the substrate. There is only these little pebbles. So we have to do something with that. And here we put some leaves and stems of eucalyptus to try and get the pH down between 7 and 8. Now the filters are a bit dirty, but we're going to have to clean them. But it is working quite well. And of course, another 2 little fish went down the pipe and now are swimming in there with the turtles. Well, I hope you like this update with the Refugium and how it's working, and of course my hydroponic channels. And well, remember, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.